Let's see how to use the Organizer Dashboard. Organizer Dashboard will show the event analytics of your event. So to see the Organizer Dashboard, go to the event listing page, select the event and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will land on this backend dashboard of the event. From the backend dashboard, go to the Organizer section and click on login as organizer. And Organizer Dashboard will open in new tab. So in the first section, you can see the analytics. In the analytics section, you can see the analytics of the event. The graph shows the users who have logged in for the event on the day wise. So you can see on the December, this is the peak of the people who were live on the platform. Then you can see it shows the total number of users registered, total logged in users, the people who are currently live, people who are live currently on the lobby, on the help desk, people who are currently in the networking launch, in the gaming zone and in the selfie booth. And then you will see the list of people who are in the hall, people who are currently in the auditorium and the stall visitors. You can see the list of the booths in your event, total visitors on those booths, total agents are currently live on that booth. Then you will see a chart where you will see the unique logins of the different sections of the event, like the lobby, head desk, auditorium, etc. Then you will see the auditorium wise attendees. So you will see which auditorium has the maximum number of attendees using this graph. Then you will see the stall visitors, the graph of the stall visitors. In this section, you will see which stall has more number of visitors by using the graph. Then you will see the meeting analytics, like the total meeting request sent, total accepted, total completed, and total meetings which has no response. Then you will see the booth analytics, the actions performed on those booths. So you have to select the booth name and you will see the actions performed on those booths. Then you will see the reaction analytics, the reactions sent throughout the event, the claps, the celebrate, the likes, and the total question asked and total question answered. The next is download analytics. In the analytics section, you will see the analytics of the event. It shows the actions taken by attendees throughout the event. Like it is showing the time of the attendee visited that particular area, lobby, and the time he has spent in the lobby. You can also download these analytics from the download analytics section. Then booth activity. In the booth activity, you will see the actions taken by the visitor on those booths. So you have to select the booth name and you will see the actions taken by the visitor on that booth. Like the Mr. Ashish visited this booth on the 27th December and he just visited for 1 second. Then next is meeting analytics. It shows the total meetings scheduled throughout the event. It also shows the status of the meetings, like the completed or yet to happen or incompleted or no response. You will see the name of the person who has scheduled the meeting with the agent and with on that particular booth. The message he has sent. It will show all the meeting analytics over here. You can also download this data. Next is users. In all users section, you will see the list of users who have registered for the event. It will show all the details of the user. You can also export this data. To export the data, click on export user. Select the date range. If you want to get the data of the people who have registered within any date frame, then you can select those dates. So I am selecting the December 1 to December 30 and click on filter. It will give me the list of users who have registered within that date frame, within that range. Then to download, click on download users. Select the mode, normal mode or advanced mode. In the normal mode, you can directly export the data. If you choose advanced mode, then you have to select some filters. Like you can select filters based on the name, whatever you want in that Excel sheet. Then if you can just select both the logged in or non-logged in, or you can see simply logged in or simply not logged in and export. So your data will be exported. Next is live user. In the live user section, you will see the list of people who are currently live in the event. It will show the name, email ID, and other details of the attendees. You will also see the chat button here. Using that, as an organizer, you can initiate the chat with that attendee. Next is daily login. If you have the multiple day event, then you can track the people who have logged in on the different days of the event. If I am checking the people who have logged in for that particular date, then I will just click on this date, and the list will it will show the list of the attendees who are logged in on that date, and then I can export that data also. The next is registration email. This is the registration email section. As you can see, there is a by default added content over here. If you want customization in that, so you can use the following tags and add those tags over here. So it will create a text. Text-based registration email. But if you have any HTML file of that registration email, then you can to upload that registration to upload that HTML file, enable the toggle, choose the file and upload, and then submit. Then your HTML file of that registration email will be uploaded. The next is reminder email. In the reminder email, you can add the reminder emails which will be sent before the session start or before the day of the event, which you can send before the event or throughout the event. To add the reminder email, go to the create email, write the name of the email, select the subject line, you can use the tags and submit. So the reminder email will be created. In the content section, you can add the content of the reminder email, the text-based content. If you have the HTML file of that email, to upload the HTML file, go to the toggle editor, then upload the file, and then choose the file and upload. Your file will be uploaded. Then in the delivery section, you can test your email by adding your registered email ID and test. So you will receive that reminder email. Then after confirming the contents, you can immediately send that reminder email, or you can schedule. To schedule the email, click on schedule email, select the date, select the time, and send email. So the reminder email will be sent on that scheduled time. Next is chat section. In the chat section, you will see all the chats happening throughout the event. When someone visits to the help desk for help, and that particular help desk chat will show here as a private chat by the name of that particular attendee. In the common chat, you will see all the users who have all the attendees who have registered for the event. So you can chat with all the attendees using this common chat group. Then support group is there. In the support group, all the agents of the different booths will be there. So you can directly contact with the agents of the participating companies using this support group. Next is notification. In the notification, using the notification feature, you can send notification in your event. To send the notification, write the content here. Write the content in this section. Select the redirect user to. Using this redirect user to feature, you can send your attendees to particular sections of the event, like help desk, conference, networking launch, or auditorium. Then send notification to will be used to send the notification to particular area. If you want to send this notification to all the sections of the event, then select all. If you want to send this notification to particular section like auditorium, a lobby, or networking launch, then you can select those area and send. You can also test this notification over here. To test the notification, click on test notification and you will see the notification over here. So that's how it will show in the front end of the event. Then polls. You can send polls to your event. To send the polls, click on create poll, write the title, write down the options and select the area where you want to send the poll. You can select multiple options here and send. Then after sending the poll, you will see the list of the polls you have sent throughout the event. To see the response you have received on those polls, click on view section and you will see the responses of the poll. You can also export these responses. Next is agents. In the agent section, you will see the list of the agents, the participating companies added to their booth. You will see the name of the agent, email ID, and the booth name that agent belongs. You can edit the details of those agents. You can delete the agent or you can chat with the agent. Next is networking tables. This will be used to add the networking tables in your event. In the networking table, we have 2 chair tables, 4 chair tables, and 8 chair tables. To add the number of tables, go to the edit section and select the number of tables of that category and submit. So your tables will be added. Next is reload auditorium. You can reload your auditorium from this section. Booth with visitors. Using this, you will see the unique number of attendees who have visited particular booth. Then, to see the number of unique visitors visited particular booth, select the booth name, and you will see the list of the users who have visited that booth.